In today's video, I'll show you how to install mods in Street Fighter 6. Check my video description for this mod manager download link. Check this manual download and download the mod manager. And check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this faster startup mod. This gonna skip the intro. Once you downloaded the mod you like, go to downloads, right click on the Fluffy mod manager and select WinRAR and select extract to. Just right click on the extracted folder and say cut option and go to documents. Paste the Fluffy mod manager extracted folder here and open modmanager.exe. Scroll down and select the Street Fighter 6. Choose game folder, choose the games install folder. Navigate to the game folder. Select the game folder and select folder option and select OK. Select this mod list. Go back to downloads and whatever mod you downloaded, just drag and drop the zip inside this mod manager. Once you dropped, check this refresh mod list and mod will be listed as you can see. Select the mod and turn it on. If you want to delete or disable, to disable just turn it off. To delete, just select this trash icon. And we have enabled this fastest startup mod. Launch the game. I will show you guys in game. Starting off the game, it doesn't show the intro. Get straight into the game as you can see. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.